In primetime news this evening, more COVID-19 worry as death toll and hospitalizations continue to climb. The country could be administering COVID-19 vaccines to children 5 years and older soon. And later, U.S. private equity firm says Squatters delaying $8 billion project in Westmoreland.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports Commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. This evening, we're asking what are your views on the administering of the COVID-19 vaccine to children 5 years and older in Jamaica. You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.